Imagine soaring towards your goals like a basketball player reaching for the hoop in slow motion. The anticipation, the focus, the sheer willpower driving every muscle in your body. Every leap filled with ambition and determination. It's not just about the jump, but the countless hours of practice, the sweat, and the unwavering belief in oneself. Michael Jordan once said, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. And this is why I succeed." His words remind us that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to greatness. Now picture a business journey that mirrors this perseverance. Over 30 years of relentless innovation. Each setback, a lesson, each challenge, an opportunity to grow stronger. From the early struggles to the seamless integration of cutting-edge technology, the path has been anything but easy. Watch the evolution unfold. Witness the transformation from humble beginnings to a powerhouse of innovation. Bustling factories filled with the hum of progress, where every machine and every worker plays a crucial role in the grand symphony of production, hands signing crucial contracts, sealing partnerships that drive our vision forward, teams collaborating over futuristic tech, holographic interfaces buzzing with ideas, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Representing our integration coefficient IC business model, a model that seamlessly connects every facet of our operations. These glowing digital lines connect diverse international factory partners, creating a network that spans the globe, 250 plus to be exact, each one a vital link in our expansive chain, bridging cultural and corporate differences, fostering a spirit of unity and collaboration. OEM and ODM agreements come to life, turning visions into tangible products, showcasing our global market reach, expanding our footprint to every corner of the world. Solar panels gleaming on rooftops in neighborhoods and sprawling solar farms, a testament to sustainable innovation. Harnessing the power of the sun to fuel our future. Interconnectedness and harmony are at the heart of our success. Every link, every connection, working in perfect synergy. Every handshake symbolizes trust, a promise of mutual growth and success. Every satisfied customer's smile reflects our commitment, a testament to our dedication to excellence. And just like that iconic basketball swishing through the hoop, we triumph through perseverance. Every success, a result of relentless effort and unwavering determination. Join us on this journey of continuous innovation and leadership. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary. Let's create a brighter future together. A future where innovation and collaboration know no bounds. Subscribe for more information. Stay connected and be part of our journey.